Oh, I know exactly why you're still living in a house like that. Yep, totally. Of course. Definitely. 100%. This is me, but guess what? It doesn't have to be you. Let's get you into a beautiful home, free of worrying about kids and furniture, without having to move. Introducing my course and community designed to help you take back your home and your sanity. No matter your budget, no matter if you're renting or building or just refreshing, we're going to create some amazing family-friendly interiors step by step.
The subscription gave me the accountability that I needed to go from dreaming but being indecisive to having clarity and taking action. It's a gift that every family deserves.
I was tired of waiting for them to be bigger, for my house to look nice, and I wanted both. I found Lee's class, and it was this amazing knowledge she offered me of what I didn't know I didn't know. I think she gave me the tools to find that balance in my home.
With the floor plan, I was able to add furniture that I already owned and possible purchases into the floor plan and rearrange it to my heart's content until I could come up with a solution. Really loved the class, and I'm thrilled with the results.